If you're looking for a serious amount of memory, and I mean really serious, then you should pay close attention now. Today we're taking a look at a RAM kit that doesn't just impress with its capacity, but also delivers in performance and compatibility. Stick around because we'll find out whether this upgrade is actually worth it. Let's get straight to the point. This memory kit from Corsair gives you a full 64 GB of RAM, split across two 32GB modules. If you work with large projects like video editing, music production, or rendering, a kit like this can be a real game changer. The first thing you'll notice is the slim form factor. The so-called low-profile design ensures that the sticks fit easily under large CPU coolers. That's extremely useful, especially if you're working with a compact or tightly packed system. Performance-wise, 3,200 megatransfers per second puts you in a great spot. It's a solid sweet spot for many applications, fast enough for modern gaming and powerful enough for productive multitasking. To make sure everything runs smoothly, the memory uses Intel's XMP 2.0 profile. That means for you, just enable it in the BIOS and you're good to go. Important note, some motherboards don't detect the full speed automatically, so you may need to configure it manually. In XMP mode, the voltage is 1.35 volts, which is completely normal for DDR4 memory in this class. In standard mode, the kit runs at 2,133 megatransfers per second at 1.2 volts. That gives you some flexibility if you prefer a more power-efficient setup. As for everyday use, many users report being very satisfied. Performance is strong, installation is easy, and the RAM is recognized immediately by most systems. Of course, there are also a few reports of incompatibility or defective modules, as can sometimes happen with hardware. That's why it's important to quickly check your motherboard's RAM compatibility list before buying. For anyone who simply needs a lot of memory, whether for virtual machines, large databases, or a future-proof workstation, this kit is definitely worth considering. If you want to know whether it's currently on sale, make sure to check the video description. I've linked all the info there for you. So, what are the strengths and weaknesses of this kit? Pros: huge memory capacity for demanding workloads. Works with XMP 2.0, easy setup. Compact design fits even in tight builds. Good compatibility with Intel and AMD systems. Solid build quality with metal heat spreaders. Cons: not all motherboards detect the XMP profile automatically. Occasional quality issues with individual modules. Not ideal for extreme overclocking scenarios. If you're looking for high-performance yet compact memory that will not only handle today's workloads but also stay relevant for years to come, then this Corsair kit is an excellent choice. You can find all current deals and pricing info down below in the video description. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel, so you won't miss any future hardware reviews. See you next time.